You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x smaller than -29/3 smaller than -92/3. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -3. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x smaller than -29/3 smaller than -92/3.